Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney with Doodle Dollars, and today we are going to be doing our reallocating of all of my savings challenges. So here they all are. This includes Mini Mondays, Tiny Tuesdays, both of my debt binders, and Festive Fridays. So I'm going to organize this and I will come right back. Okay, so we're just going to start with the easiest things here. These are my Festive Fridays. So we put money in the Valentine's Day boxes already and I just started putting money directly into the binder instead of putting it in here, but we have 10, 15, 16, 17, 18 that needs to go into the Christmas one. So 18, and then this one saved us 12. This one saved us 12. This one was 12. This one was 21. And this one was 16. So for our Festive Friday, we saved $91. So these $18 are going into our Christmas folder here, our Christmas envelope, rather. Okay. So we hit 1,000 subscribers, guys. I was behind on filming videos last week and I just got swamped and I had to focus on other things, but we'll catch up. I missed filming some videos and all that, but that's okay. All right, so for our debt, we have $20 with, what was this? Oh, yes, the Coloring from Glory's budget. This one was a game that we stopped playing midway. It was branch by branch, but we saved 15. We played it like one time, and then I stopped because I had other things that I wanted to get done. But this was the Welcome Spring that I did with Vicky Thinks, and this saved us 50, 60, 5, 6, 7. Okay, next we have our seasonal showdown. D1, 110, saved us 110. Oh gosh. Okay. All right, this one was from our scratch off binder, and this should have saved us 100, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 1, 2, 3, 4, 100. Why does it keep zeroing out? $312. All right, then this one was by Tiny Budget Co. This was in our scratch off binder, and we saved 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 312 plus 13, 326. This Never Have I Ever by Norella's Budgets, Glory's Budgets, and Pansy Budgets. This saved us 2123, 326 plus 23, 349. This one by Lil's World and Autumn 1492 saved us 1516, 349 plus 16, 365, and then this one by Save with Judy saved us 246,570. $435. Okay. Okay, so we had 435 in completed challenges for both of our debt binders. So that's awesome. So I'm going to take all of this and I'm going to just set it to the side because this is all going to the bank to pay off my car. And in addition to that, I cleared out all of my binders. I just took all the money out, even though I didn't complete all the challenges, because I'd rather have it paid and not accrue interest on my, my payment. So instead of like sitting in the binder. So I think I'm going to do that at the end of each month, just take all the money out. So I had 698 in those two binders. So if we add that to this, then that's 1,133. So 1,133 will be going towards debt. Okay, so that's those two numbers combined. All right, so that's there, ready to go back to the bank. Okay, next we have our mini Mondays. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take these out and I'm gonna count it up. Okay, so we had $99 saved with our mini Mondays. All right, and then we have Tiny Tuesdays. So same thing, I'm just gonna separate all these and count it all up. All right, and then we had 125 saved with Tiny Tuesdays. Okay, so if we add these up, 91 plus 435 plus 99 plus 125, that's $750 that we saved this month with completed savings challenges. And so I will be reallocating this money into our sinking funds for myself and for Aria. And obviously the car debt payment will be going to my car payment. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I hope y'all have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one. And hopefully this week I'll be able to actually film and post consistently. So have a great rest of your day, guys. Bye.